watching Pupstruction build. Me too. They're so good at it.
Meow. The mayor asked Pupstruction to build the library? Why does she always give the best job to those pups?
Oh, I know. It's because they're the best builders in town.
Yeah, that's what she called them.
Well, we're about to be the best builders in town thanks to my latest creation. Say hello to Robocat.
Meow.
Hello.
This robot can build faster and better than the Pupstruction crew, so we'll never have to lift a paw. Robocat, build me something, please.
Robocat build. Robocat sure has an interesting way of doing construction.
Yeah, it almost looks like destruction.
It is destruction! I said build, Robocat, build!
Robocat build.
This thing doesn't build, it just breaks. That won't help us beat Pupstruction. Or maybe it will. If I give Robocat to Pupstruction, it'll destroy everything they make. And then we'll be the best builders in town. Meow.
You okay, boss?
Yep, Furball.